Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. It is almost impossible to dive in headfirst and start earning money with the click of a mouse. The following video was created to be helpful in getting you in gear so you can start to make money online. Follow these tips and you will find that it's pretty easy to earn money online. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. When it comes to online money-making ventures, never pay money to begin. No legitimate businesses or companies will ask for money before you start working. Companies who ask for money up front are generally a scam. Make sure to steer clear of such enterprises. The concepts are simple to understand and surprisingly easy to accomplish. To be sure, there are challenges, but many folks do well in this way. Use your time wisely by doing your research and practicing skills. Student loan,